Today we are going to be learning about point-slope form. Now we've learned about slope-intercept form, but today we are going to talk about point-slope form. Now point-slope form is written like this. So y minus y prime equals m times x minus x prime. Okay, so this is point-slope form. The line passes through the point, of course, so the point would be x prime and y prime here. That's the line passes through this point. And then we know that this m here represents the slope. Okay, so if you had a graph, I'll just quickly sketch one here. If you had a graph with 2 points, you'd have your xy, your prime, and the line would pass through that point. And look at that, I just totally missed the point. You pass through that point, and then this here, you would have your slope. Okay. All right, so let's look at an equation to make this a little bit more practical. It's asking us to write an equation in point-slope form of the line that passes through the given point and has the given slope. So the first one they give us is the point -6, 1 with a slope of 2/3. The first step you're going to take is you're going to write the point-slope form. Okay, so the first step, we're going to just write the point-slope form. So we're going to go exactly how it is. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to substitute for the point and the slope. Okay, so we have the y prime here and the x prime here, so we know that the point that they gave us was -6 and 1, and we have the slope here, which is 2/3. So y minus 1, and then the m would be 2/3, and then our x is the same, but our x prime is -6 minus -6, and that's it. The third step is to simplify. Now, we're not going to have to do too much simplifying here, because we do need it to stay in point-slope form. However, if you look at this, our negative and negative, or minusing a negative, we can clean that up by adding the opposite. Remember when you're subtracting integers? So we're going to turn this into a plus sign, and the opposite of -6 is +6. So our final answer is y minus 1 equals 2/3 times x plus 6. Okay, let's do the next one. The point they give us is 1, 2, and the slope is -4. Okay, so first step, we can scroll up a little bit. The first step is to write the point-slope form. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay. Then we need to substitute. So the y that they gave us here is 2. Our slope is -4. And then x minus 2. Oh no, 1, sorry. Looking at the wrong one. All right, and then this is already simplified, so that's all that you do. Try one on your own. Try with the point 7, 0, and a slope of 1.